Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to delete your HelloFresh account on desktop. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. So first, go to your HelloFresh account by searching hellofresh.com in the search bar. And here, if you haven't signed in already, sign in. And after that, go to contact. And then click chat. And here, you're gonna have to chat with AI. So just type delete my account like so, then hit send. And then two options will pop up. Now, if you're currently subscribed to HelloFresh, you can cancel subscription right here and then just follow the on-screen step to cancel your subscription. Now, what we need to do is delete our account. Just tap on this and then there will be a bunch of options right here. Now, select on delete my personal information. Click on that. And then here, after clicking this, just wait a couple of seconds and an agent will contact you. Now, just tell them that you want to delete your account. And after that, there will be an email that your account is deleted. So yeah, I hope this one helps. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.